In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find lithium here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now we're going to start off the life pod right here, and what you need to go ahead and do is actually head southwest until you hit a specific biome. The biome you're looking for is the warm biome. However, this place is just a little bit closer, so it's worth checking here first. But essentially, keep going southwest until you go over a cliff itself. I will turn on the light right now since it is dark and it is kind of hard to see. You're going to see a little cliff right here. It looks something like this. It's a little terrifying when it's pitch black, right? Because you can't see that well. Go ahead and head down on this cliff, and what you're looking for is this little wreckage right here. You're going to see some stuff right next to it, specifically over in this area. And as you can see, we got some lithium right here. If you want to get even more, what you need to do is continue heading this way. You're going to see this giant little thing right over here. Go ahead and head into this area. And right in the middle, you're going to see this thing, just like so, with even more lithium in it. Now, obviously, you need to be careful in this area because this thing can close on you. So just keep that in mind. But there is a ton of lithium in this section. If you swim right into those holes, you'll be good to go. You can use this thing as well. But click the lithium inside, and of course, if the plant does start closing, get out ASAP. That's going to be the full process, though. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.